Okay, we are just, I'm spending the day here just making crazy stuff. Started off with pork belly. Now we're moving on to, my brother picked up, I think chicken thighs. And he took all the skin, a lot of the skin off the chicken thighs. So what we're doing today is, which you guys are going to think it's crazy, but it's not. It really, really isn't. We're going to be using the Ninja Foodi grill today. You can use the Ninja Foodi, whatever you have. I'm going to reach across here so you get a nice picture of my arm. Now these have already been rinsed at his house. We are making, I'm going to show a preview. So we're making chicken skins today. I know, you guys can just go ahead and laugh. Do whatever you got to do. But chicken skins are so freaking good. It's kind of like a chicken pork rind, even though there's no pork, but it's a chicken rind. So he pulled off all the skin, and I'm going to we're going to air crisp this right up. It's super good. Now, everybody out there, I mean, I know there's people that don't eat the chicken skin, but everybody out there that actually eats chicken skin, you know this is going to be delicious. You guys eat the chicken skin directly, I mean, right off the chicken thigh, chicken breast, whatever. Chicken leg. But this is going to be so good. So good. Goodness, goodness, goodness. So I'm probably going to do 2 batches of them, but what I'm going to use today, we're going to use, can you guys see this? There we are. This is one of my favorites, the Jamaican Choice Chicken Seasoning. So good, so good. I think you can get it on Amazon. I'm not sure if I have a link. I don't know. I know it's in my store, my Pressure Crisp store on Amazon. And also, this is my new one. I ordered some more from Walmart. It's not coming until Tuesday because I can't find it locally up here. It's the Badia Saison Tropical. Really, really good. So I'm just going to take some of this. And we're just going to season. I'm almost out of this. And we are officially out. And I probably should have done this over. Once again, do this over a cookie sheet because your cutting board is going to get totally trashed. There we go. Just a little bit of a squirt just to get it to stick. And look, see? Use the cutting board. I mean, use a cookie sheet. So it's in there. We're using the air crisp basket. This is in the plate and the splatter shield. Go ahead and lower the lid. Turn it on. We're going to choose air crisp. We're going to up this to 400. A little hair there. Whoopsies. Actually, no. Let's do 400. And hit start. Oh, preheat. We're going to override it. There we go. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to increase the temp. I'll bring you guys over here. Temp. Let's see what it goes up to. Ooh, 450 it is. 2 minutes have gone by since I've increased the temp. Much, much better. So what I would do, so you want that bubbling right there. And I probably should have seasoned both sides, but I can't do it with the Saison because I don't have any more. I have to wait till Tuesday. But I'm going to turn them over real quick. There we go. Alrighty. Yes, 450 is the ticket, but these are still not there. Let's start off with the 450. I know what I'm talking about now. These are actually going to take a good amount of time. I thought they'd be quick. They're not. So, I just upped the time by accident. So definitely I would start off at 450. And they're probably going to take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes because we're almost down to the 20-minute mark. I'm adding more time, which I did by accident. But I'm thinking probably 20 minutes to get these done at 450. Alrighty. Oh, yeah. So those are going to cook for a few more minutes. Let's go over and taste test. Yeah. These are going to be good. Listen. Oh, where's my microphone? Oh, yeah. So this is the Saison. That Saison Tropical, which is amazing, by the way. I've only seen it at Walmart. Some of the Publix do carry some of the Saison products, but Walmart definitely has it. Let's take a bite. Delicious. These are so good. This is the Jamaican spice. Oh yeah. That is a chicken rind. Really good. So, definitely 450 for like 15 to 20 minutes.